Finishing off CNC group break number 1221 with the 2 boxes of 1112 Panini Prime. All right, base card number to 249 for the Vancouver Canucks, Henrik Sedin. We've got a quad jersey auto rookie number to 199 for the Minnesota Wild, Brett Bulmer. We got a dual jersey number to 225 for the Philadelphia Flyers, Zach Ronaldo, Scott Hartnell. We got a namesakes letter autograph number to 75 for the Montreal Canadiens, Aaron Palushai. This'll do. I forget the name of the subset, but either way, I'll just show it. It is a 1/1 for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Brett Connolly. The Panini NHLPA dual patch. 1/1 for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Brett Connolly. Winning. Brett Connolly. 1/1. Yeah, that'll do. We got a showcase prime jersey, number to 35 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Jake Gardiner. Dual extreme patch is the name of the subset. Cool. We'll go with that. And a base card to 249 for the Washington Capitals, Mike Green. And box number 2. That one's going to be tough to beat. Alright, so final pack. Has a base card to 249 for the Detroit Red Wings, Gordie Howe. Quad jersey auto rookie, number to 199 for the Ottawa Senators, Colin Greening. We got a triple jersey number to 150 for the Montreal Canadiens, Rafael Diaz, Alexei Emelin, and Josh Georges. Triple jersey number to 150. Oh, that'll do. Numbered 8/25. Primetime rookie jersey prime. 4 colors for the Colorado Avalanche, Gabriel Landeskog. Number to 25 for the Colorado Avalanche, Gabriel Landeskog. We got a prime signatures gold, number to 50 for the Nashville Predators, Roman Josi. We got a primetime rookie jersey and autograph, number to 50. He's everywhere for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Brett Connolly. And a base card to 249 for the Montreal Canadiens, PK Subban. So there we go, boys and girls. Multi-randoms coming up.